Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to unlink Google Photos from your gallery. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to unlink your Google Photos from your gallery, you need to follow this simple and easy trick. So all you gotta do is simply tap open your Google Photos. Once you open it, you can find that all the photos that you have in your gallery are being backed up in your Google Photos. However, as you have only 15 GB, it's not possible to back up everything, as you need your Google account to store some Gmails or any kind of other stuff as well. So to unlink your Google Photos from your gallery, simply tap on your profile and then you can find the option called backup. Simply tap on that particular option, and once you have done this, simply turn off the toggle to the left hand side, which will allow you to back up of your Google Photos turned off. So if you're going to turn it off on the left hand side, then your backup will be off, which will allow you to unlink your Google Photos from your gallery. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.